Broadcast engineering is the field of electrical engineering, and now to some extent computer engineering and information technology, which deals with radio and television broadcasting. Audio engineering and RF engineering are also essential parts of broadcast engineering, being their own subsets of electrical engineering. Broadcast engineering involves both the studio end and the transmitter end, as well as remote broadcasts. Every station has a broadcast engineer, though one may now serve an entire station group in a city, or be a contract engineer who essentially freelances his or her services to several stations as needed. Duties. Modern duties of a broadcast engineer include maintaining broadcast automation systems for the studio and automatic transmission systems for the transmitter plant. There are also important duties regarding radio towers, which must be maintained with proper lighting and painting. Occasionally a station's engineer must deal with complaints of RF interference, particularly after a station has made changes to its transmission facilities. Titles. Broadcast engineers may have varying titles depending on their level of expertise and field specialty. Some widely used titles include Broadcast Design Engineer, Broadcast Systems Engineer, Broadcast IT Engineer, Broadcast IT Systems Engineer, Broadcast Network Engineer, Broadcast Maintenance Engineer, Video Broadcast Engineer, TV Studio Broadcast Engineer, Outside Broadcast Engineer, Remote Broadcast Engineer. Qualifications. Broadcast engineers may need to possess some or all of the following degrees, depending on the broadcast technical environment. If one of the formal qualifications is not present, a related degree or equivalent professional experience is desirable. Degree in electrical engineering, degree in electronic engineering, degree in telecommunications engineering, degree in computer engineering, degree in management information system, degree in broadcast technology. Knowledge. Broadcast engineers are generally required to have knowledge in the following areas, from conventional video broadcast systems to modern information technology. Conventional broadcast audio, video instrumentation, measurement, baseband video, standard, high-definition broadcast, studio acoustics, television, studios, broadcast video cameras and camera lenses, production, switcher, audio mixer, broadcast IT, video compression, DV25, MPEG, DVB or ATSC, digital server playout technologies, VDCP, Louth, Harris, control protocols, broadcast automation, disk storage, RAID, NAS, SAN technologies, archives, tape archives or grid storage technologies. Computer networking, operating systems, Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, Linux, RTOS, post-production, video capture and non-linear editing systems. RF satellite uplinking, high-powered amplifiers, RF communications, satellite downlinking, band detection, carrier detection and IRD tuning, etc. RF transmitter maintenance, IoT UHF transmitters, solid-state VHF transmitters, solid-state MF transmitters, tube-type VHF and MF transmitters. Antennas, transmission line, high-power filters, digital modulators, towers, tower lighting systems, backup generators. Health and safety, occupational safety and health, fire suppression systems like FM 200. Basic structural engineering, RF hazard mitigation. Above-mentioned requirements vary from station to station. Digital engineering. The conversion to digital broadcasting means broadcast engineers must now be well versed in digital television and digital radio. In addition to analog principles, new equipment from the transmitter to the radio antenna to the receiver may be encountered by engineers new to the field. Furthermore, modern techniques place a greater demand on an engineer's expertise, such as sharing broadcast towers or radio antennas among different stations. Digital audio and digital video have revolutionized broadcast engineering in many respects. Broadcast studios and control rooms are now already digital in large part, using nonlinear editing and digital signal processing for what used to take a great deal of time or money, if it was even possible at all. Mixing consoles for both audio and video are continuing to become more digital in the 2000s, as is the computer storage used to keep digital media libraries. Effects processing and TV graphics can now be realized much more easily and professionally as well. Other devices used in broadcast engineering are telephone hybrids, broadcast delays, and dead air alarms. See the glossary of broadcast engineering terms for further explanations. Engineering services. Broadcast stations often call upon outside engineering services for certain needs. Other companies specialize in both broadcast engineering and broadcast law, which are both essential when making an application to a national broadcasting authority for a construction permit or broadcast license. This is especially critical in North America, where stations bear the entire burden of proving that their proposed facilities will not cause interference and are the best use of the radio spectrum. Such companies now have special software that can map projected radio propagation and terrain shielding, as well as lawyers that will defend the applications before the U.S. Federal Communications Commission, Canadian Radio, Television and Telecommunications Commission, or the equivalent authorities in some other countries. Organizations. Brazil set, Sociedade Brasileira de Engenharia de Televisão e Telecomunicações, Brazilian Society of Television and Telecommunications Engineering, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Canada, Central Canada Broadcast Engineers, Paris, Ontario, Canada. Western Association of Broadcast Engineers, Victoria, British Columbia, Canada. IEEE Broadcast Technology Society, Ottawa Section, Canada. Germany, FKTG, Fernseh- und Kinotechnische Gesellschaft e.V., Germany. India, Broadcast Engineering Society, BES, New Delhi, India. Iran, Broadcasting University Iran, Tehran. Japan, Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, Japan Council. Mexico, Asociación Mexicana de Ingenieros y Técnicos en Radiodifusión AC. Delegación Benito Juárez, Mexico. People's Republic of China, China Society of Motion Picture and Television Engineers, China. IEEE Broadcast Technology Society, Beijing Section, China. IEEE Broadcast Technology Society, Shanghai Section, China. People's Republic of China, Hong Kong Society of Motion Picture and Television Engineers Section, Hong Kong. Society of Broadcast Engineers Hong Kong Chapter, Hong Kong. Hong Kong Televisioners Association, Hong Kong. Philippines Society of Broadcast Engineers and Technicians of the Philippines, Inc., Quezon City, Philippines. Republic of China, Taiwan IEEE Broadcast Technology Society, Taipei Section. South Korea, Korean Broadcast Engineers and Technicians Association, Seoul, South Korea. Turkey Chamber of Electrical Engineers. United States. In the United States, many broadcast engineers belong to the Society of Broadcast Engineers. Some may also belong to the Society of Motion Picture and Television Engineers, or to organizations of related fields, such as the Audio Engineering Society or Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. IEEE Broadcast Technology Society. For public radio, the Association of Public Radio Engineers was created in late May 2006. Uruguay ANDEBU, Asociación Nacional de Broadcasters Uruguayos, Montevideo, Uruguay. This list is incomplete. You can help by expanding it. Notable publications: Broadcast Beat Magazine, Radio World, TV Technology, Broadcast Engineering, defunct as of October 31, 2013.